Hello everybody, welcome. Today we are going to start our first lesson in JavaScript. For this project we are going to use Dreamweaver and Firefox web browser. For the start we need to make new site, and to enter site name, for example JS for JavaScript, and local site folder is going to be desktop and for example JavaScript tutorials folder. Select save. After that we need to make file new HTML and to choose HTML5 create, and we need to save that file like index. And one more thing, we need one JavaScript file, create and save inside the same folder JavaScript tutorials where is index.html, and this is going to be JavaScript. Now we need to open our index.html. We are going to change the title, for example tutorial 1 JavaScript. Inside the body tag we are going to add one div, for example with ID cost, and after that, but before the closing body tag, we are going to add script source is equal to javascript.js, and this is linked to our JavaScript file because they are in the same folder. There is no need to enter anything else. After that we can save our file, and we can open our JavaScript file, and now we are going to enter some code for JavaScript. For example, first we are going to create a variable price and to create variable quantity and one variable total. Then we are going to assign some values to the variables. For the price is going to be, for example, number 5. For the quantity is going to be, for example, 3. And the total is going to be, for example, price multiplied by quantity. After that, we are going to find our HTML element with ID cost and to assign some value to that div with ID cost, and that we are going to do with var L. For example, we are going to create variable L is equal to document.getElementById, and we are going to place here ID that we are looking for, cost, and then we are going to assign L.text content is equal to, for example, we are going to place first the $sign and then plus and the total value, total. After that you can save javascript.js, and we are going to open our index file and to preview in Firefox, and the number is generated. First is $sign, this $sign, and then its total. Total is equal price 5 multiplied by quantity, it's 3. 5 multiplied by 3 is 15, and first $sign and then 15. After this, we can add something even more. In our index.html, we can add something new with div id is equal to, for example, message. And then we are going to add some code in JavaScript after all code that we already made. For example, the variable is going to be offer is equal to a tag is equal to, then escape the link, and then it's going to be com, and then we are going to add go to Google. After this, we are going to find that div element with id message that we created with id message, and we are going to make one new variable, l, for example, message is equal to document dot get element by id, and we are going to place id that we are looking for, message, and then to assign some value to this, l message dot add inner.html, because we are going to interpret an HTML element inside of a message, and it's going to be equal to offer, that is variable with some value. After we save our JavaScript file, we can test our page in the web browser. Just reload the page, and there is a link, go to Google, and when you click, the Google page appears. That is all for the first lesson. Thank you for watching. Next time we are going to work with something new and interesting, and it's going to be with classes and JavaScript. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.